In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download itch.io games step by step, and I'll also show you what to do after the download so you can actually open and play the game. This is a super easy tutorial, whether you're downloading your first indie game or just need a quick refresher on how itch.io works. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find the game you want to download. You can type in the name of the game, the creator, or even a keyword if you're browsing for something specific. When you see the game you want, click on it to open the game's page. On the game page, look for the Download Now button. This is the main button that starts the download process. Click it, and itch.io may show you a pop-up asking if you want to leave a tip for the developer. This is completely optional. If you want to support the creator, you can add a tip, but if you just want the game, click "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." After that, you'll be taken to the actual download options. Click the download button for the file you want. Depending on the game, it may download as a zip file or another compressed file type. Once the download finishes, go to your downloads folder or wherever your browser saved the file. Now here's the important part. If the file is zipped, right-click the file and select Extract All. This will unzip the game files into a new folder so you can access everything properly. Choose a location if needed, then finish the extraction process. Next, open the extracted folder. Inside, look for the game's executable file, usually named Game.exe. Double-click Game.exe to launch the game. If Windows gives you a security prompt, you may need to click Run anyway, or approve the file depending on your settings. And that's it. You've now downloaded an itch.io game and opened it successfully. If the game doesn't start right away, make sure you extracted the files first and that you're opening the correct executable inside the folder. A lot of people skip that step and think the download is broken, but usually it just needs to be unzipped first. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new game.